Hi, this is Sandra Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team of RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. And I'm out today to introduce you to one of the finest homes in Porto Cima, located at 1057 Muirfield Drive. Come on in, let's take a look around. When I think of a lake house, I think of the importance of being able to entertain family and friends. This house offers a lower level with the same high ceilings as the upper level, so you don't have that in the dungeon feeling. It's very open, spacious, offering 2 guest bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill bath on this side and a 3rd guest bedroom over here with its own private bath. The most important things to consider when you're shopping for a lake home are not the superficial things. You can change flooring, you can change paint, you can switch your cabinets, you can do anything you want to the superficial items of a home. But the things you can't change are the incurables: the lay of the lot, the quality of the construction of the home, the location on the lake, the cove. All of those things are present in this home. This home has a gentle driveway coming down to a gorgeous Thomas construction home of the most finest quality, and it's located in a cove with a main channel view. Nearly unbeatable to find that at the lake. So if you'd like to see this home on Muirfield Drive in one of the most coveted communities, Porto Cima, give me a call at the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Thank you.